Okay, and you're live, blah, blah.
I'm live. Bakit ako live?
Kasi you're going to explain to Nyam Nyam what did you did.
Yeah, this is my castle. Love, this is
Oh.
my castle nga.
Oh, that's your castle. Oh.
Tapos, ang naisip ko dito is yung self-defense mechanism niya.
Ang ganda. Defending from...
Yeah, dito yung defense tactic.
Anong gagawin niyang watchtower mo?
Yeah, yun nga, yung defense nga. Sila papatay din sa mga papasok, mga intruder. Tapos, tada, ito yung para sa movies. Yung para ma-close yung door.
What?
See? The castle is closed, no? You cannot enter. Diba?
Babaw ng kaligayahan ng mama mo, Nyam Nyam. Diba?
Oh, diba? So the castle is safe. Yun lang. Hanggang doon lang.